Guys, welcome to Sketch for Kids. This is lesson 5. In lesson 4 we learn how to make the cat jump. In lesson 5 we will learn how to make a game. So let's start. First we will delete this sprite because we don't need it. Then we will choose the background. We will go to outdoors and we will choose this one. Now we will choose a apple and a bowl. We will shrink the apple. And now we will program it. When I clicked forever if y position is less than minus 170, go to random position and set y to 180. And change y by -5. So now when I click the green flag, the app is going to random position and it's falling. So now we will program the bowl. When I clicked forever if key press right arrow, move 10 steps. We will duplicate this. This will be left arrow and this will be -10. So now we will program the apple again. We will make a variable named score. When I clicked set score to 0 if touching bowl, play sound pop and change score by 1. We will duplicate this and put it right here. So now when I click the green flag, I can control the bowl, and when the apple touches the bowl, it makes pop sound and the score is going up. So now we will duplicate the apple. We will go to this apple's costume. So this apple will be a bad apple. When the bowl touch it, the score will be -3. So this apple color will be yellow. And if touching bowl, change score by -3. So now when I click the green flag, my score is 3 and I touch the apple, now my score is 0. So now we will make a text name you won. So when I click hide, wait until score is equal to 10, show and stop all. So now when I click the green flag, my score is 10 and you won and stop all. So guys, that was it for this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos by Scratch for Kids and give us a like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.